So, 240 paying customers, all of them counting on Anthropic's Claude AI. And poof, their pricey subscriptions suddenly useless. It's March 23rd, 2026. About 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Developers all over the world are logging in, ready to get to work with their AI assistant. They're shelling out $20, $100, even $200 a month for Claude's top-tier features, especially the Max plan, which boasts up to 20 times more usage. Sounded like a good deal. But then, within minutes, some Max plan users hit their session limits. Work just stops. Dead. After like 10, 15 minutes. One guy watched his usage meter jump from 0% to 91% in 3 minutes. He hadn't even typed a single prompt. And get this, these weren't even daily limits. They were weekly. For a lot of people, their entire week's allowance on a $200 subscription vaporized in a single afternoon. Developers got kicked out mid-session, mid-pull request. Their whole workflow just terminated. No warning. Companies on the team plans lost billable hours, missed deadlines, because Claude Code, their go-to AI assistant, just disappeared. An Anthropic status page? During all of this, it read, "All systems operational." Seriously. Now, looking back at the weeks before this, March 2nd to March 19th, there was already this pattern. Global outages, errors everywhere, login failures. Then, on March 13th, Anthropic runs a promo. Double usage off-peak hours. Their definition of off-peak? 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern, which is, when everyone's actually working. Customers, understandably frustrated, hit up support. And who do they get? Anthropic's own AI chatbot, Finbot, which, guess what? Immediately had its own outages. For the few who actually got through, Anthropic sent emails, blaming user behavior for the problems, not their platform. How convenient. This is wild because back in January, the Register reported on Anthropic. They straight up dismissed claims about usage reductions as unfounded. One user, Borges Georgel, laid it all out in a formal complaint. Paid $20 for a full month, used it maybe 15 to 18 days, got less service than a free ChatGPT or Google Gemini user. Then there's Oshreyas49793920, calling it a scam in 2026. That feeling? It's all over hundreds of Trustpilot reviews, tons of chargeback requests. An $18 billion company, delivering less service than free alternatives, then offering a failed AI chatbot for support. Just, wow. And to this day, zero public statements, no apologies, no explanation of what actually went wrong, just thousands of paying customers left completely in the dark. How long can a company's valuation shield it from its own silence? And from the quiet rage of users who feel completely burned?